Everyone. You might be in a situation where for some reason you can't comment photos on TikTok. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Let's say you're on the TikTok app and you cannot comment any photos or anything like that inside of the comment section. Now, number one, the main reason why this could happen is because that feature isn't available in your location. Sometimes if you're trying to comment a particular photo, you might have to go through and just wait until that feature is available in your region. That's going to be the main way to fix it. Now, the feature might also be available in your region, but you might have to update your application in order to even get that feature in the first place. So in this case, what you can do is make your way over into your app store. So find your app store inside of your phone. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on the search bar. Tap on the search bar, and then you want to go ahead and basically type in TikTok. So right here, type in TikTok, and then you can go through and update your TikTok application. So jump right into here, update your TikTok app, and that is going to be a very easy thing you can do to go and kind of address this and kind of fix this. So that right there is a very easy thing you can do. Now, sometimes some accounts on TikTok also have restrictions. So you might not be able to go through and basically, comment a photo on TikTok if you have certain restrictions on your account. So that is also going to be an issue that can also be addressed pretty quickly if you switch over to a different type of account. Now, if that's still not working, you can always go ahead and try video replying to a video instead. So you might have a video option of like video replying. You can also try seeing if you can fix that and address that as well that way. That's another thing you can try doing as well. So those are kind of the main way to go and kind of do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.